Hello everyone, my name is Veda and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. I'm a beauty and fashion influencer on Instagram and also a self-taught makeup artist. Makeup is nothing but optical illusion. If you want to correct your face a bit, like if you want to sharpen your jaw, if you want to make your forehead look smaller, if you want to make your cheek look smaller, then makeup is the perfect way to do it. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do your face makeup properly. So, let's get started. At first, I'm going to moisturize my face and I'm using a gel-based moisturizer for that, which not only hydrates your skin but also keep your skin from being too much oily. Now I'm going to apply the foundation using a beauty blender. Now I'm going to start the light and shadow effect, which is contour and highlighting. First, I'm going to apply this contour on my cheek. Now I'm applying the concealer. Now I'm going to blend this all using a beauty blender. I'm using different beauty blender to blend the concealer and different beauty blender to blend the contour. The concealer and contour is blended and now I'm going to apply the bronzer. Now I have taken a flat brush to apply it. I'm taking a smaller flat brush to apply the bronzer over here. It will give more definition to your nose. It's time to apply the highlighter. And I'm applying golden highlighter today. applying the blusher. Now I have taken a thick round brush and blending this all using a loose powder. Well, my face makeup is done. I know it looks really weird right now because there is no eyebrows, there is no lip color, there is no eye makeup. But let me just finish rest of my makeup and let me show you the final look. So there you go. This is my final look for today. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. I'm also on Instagram. My IDs are Veda Chat and The Real Queen V. Bye guys. See you next time.